In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the retromandibular vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The retromandibular vein is located on each side of the neck and head. If we take a closer look at the veins on the right lateral view of the head and neck, we can see the right retromandibular vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and is formed by the union of the maxillary vein and the superficial temporal vein within the parotid gland. The maxillary vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow and the superficial temporal vein in green. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs initially inferiorly within the parotid gland. As it exits the parotid gland, it splits into two branches. The first of these is the anterior branch. This branch unites with the facial vein to form the common facial vein. The facial vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow and the common facial vein in green. The second branch is the posterior branch. This branch unites with the posterior auricular vein to form the external jugular vein. The posterior auricular vein can be seen here highlighted in pink and the external jugular vein in purple. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the parotid gland, jaw region, and temporal region of the skull and onto the common facial vein and external jugular vein on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the retromandibular vein.